Hi watchers, I'm gonna show you how to turn on the lamp. As you can see, there is a switch and a lamp up there. We want to turn on the lamp so that you can see clearly on the camera. Okay, why do I make this tutorial? It sounds like ridiculous tutorial, but you have to learn about the smallest thing in this world. Okay, the means is quite simple and easy. You just pull down this switch and then the lamp turned on. Now you can see clearly on the camera. The room was not dark anymore. That's my tutorial today. See you on the next video. If you want to subscribe my channel, you can push the button, and if you don't want to subscribe my channel, I'm not pursuing you to subscribe it.